Warm holiday greetings to our dear students and to the entire BISCAS community, faculty, staff, administrators, alumni, partners, and parents and friends. To our students, you remain at the heart of BISCAS. Your perseverance, creativity, and determination continue to inspire us, even amidst academic challenges and personal responsibilities. This season is a reminder that your efforts matter and that the institution stands with you as you pursue your goals, dreams, and aspirations. As we reflect on the year that has passed, we give thanks for the shared commitment of our faculty and students and staff whose guidance, mentorship, and service shape meaningful learning experiences for our students. We also acknowledge our alumni and partners whose continued trust and support strengthen BISCAS' mission of quality, relevant, and accessible education. The holiday season calls us to pause, appreciate one another, and renew the values that guide our institution's compassion, integrity, excellence, and service. May this time offer rest, reflections, and renewed hope as we prepare for the opportunities and responsibilities of the coming year, and as we continue undertaking efforts to make BISCAS better, brighter, and boundless. On behalf of the Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, I wish everyone a joyful holiday season and a peaceful, prosperous new year. May we move forward together with unity, purpose, and care for one another. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to one and all.